In this video, we're going to show you how to install little Tikes First Slide.
That's how it looks like. Little Tikes, play big slide.
And this is everything you get in the box. So this is how you install it. Grab the slide and turn it upside down like this. Get the small blue ladder and attach it in the holes provided. You should hear a snap that's really obvious. Not like that, and it actually should be more obvious. Make sure this part right here goes all the way down to be on the safe side of things. And there you go. Once you hear that snap, you know that it's secure. After snapping it, make the ladder stand like this. Next, you grab the handles.
Then this is the one in front. This is short, so right here and right there.
Let's go ahead and get a closer look on the right side of the handle.
Then look at that. And make sure that it's snapped in the inside.
Once you snapped it on the right side, you're ready to do the same thing on the other side. After installing both handles, make sure that everything is sturdy by shaking it. And this is what the slide should look like right now. And if you're curious how tall this slide is, it's almost 28 inches tall. When we measured across the slide, the length is a little bit over 47 inches. When we measured the width of the slide, it's almost 13 inches. And finally, we measured the wideness of the stairs and it came out to be about 18 inches. In summary, this little Tikes ladder is not difficult to assemble. It's nearly stress-free and it's definitely worth keeping.